Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My hair has gotten to an uncomfortable length. I'm trying to grow it out to where it was before, but right now it's just in my face all the time. It's starting to get warm enough that I can't wear a toque everywhere, and this is posing a problem for me. Today we're going to start off the day by going and checking out another outboard. I'm trying to find a matching one to the one I already have, and somebody here on the island has a couple of outboards for me to look at, and he wants a little bit of money for it. We're going to see what condition they're in and if it's worth it. Everyone's favorite celebrities, Champ, and here's everyone's favorite. So a real treat for you guys today, we got the whole crew.
Wow.
Did you get them? What's the story behind them? Yeah, last one I just pulled the half the weight is just
Stay here, but don't go too soon.
Alright, so we got the outboard on the boat. We got a bit of a kerfuffle. Melly's made an amazing lunch. What'd you make?
Tofu, bean scramble, cucumber
Almost like a
chutney.
chili. Like a fresher chili.
Yeah, and something fresh and green. Cucumber chutney. And toast.
Yeah, if you guys think I'm a good cook, it blows me out of the water.
Hello, it's me again. I just wanted to say a quick hello and a big thank you. I had a lot of fun filming that episode, and I think Simon did an amazing job editing it and soundtracking it and telling the story of our cool long weekend of work and play. And it was wonderful. And yeah, I wanted to say thank you for all the lovely feedback. I read all the comments and questions. It seems like the audience is watching Simon's videos from all over the place, from all over the world, and there were comments from different countries, and I really like that. Yeah, I think we had somebody watching from Italy. Hi to Italy. Al pubblico italiano, grazie mille. Scusa Simon, lui ama la pasta, ma non sa parlare italiano. Yeah, I think there were people watching from the Netherlands. Dank je Holland. There was also comments from all over Scandinavia. Då måste jag förstås hälsa Sverige och säga tackar till alla som tittade på videon. I think we had a few people from Germany watching. Also sage ich am Schluss auch noch Hallo und danke fürs Zuschauen nach Deutschland. Yeah, I think Simon could add some French and Japanese, and together we could talk to the whole world, and that's lovely. So keep up the international spirit in the comment section. It's really lovely. That's nice. Yeah, we're just enjoying the sun while Simon is working.
Well, we celebrated this beautiful sunny day. We're gonna call it the start of spring, even though it probably isn't. And we pulled down the winter coverings. So now the work begins on everything up there. So it's nice to be able to walk around to the bow again. So yeah, we're just gonna go take Champ for a little walk, and we're gonna have some dinner. Look at all those whiskers hanging off his chin. Fuck your old Champ.
What type of diesel is it? A Western.
Oh yeah. Cutting all that out for weight.